Dunkin' Doors models and the lovely Dunkin' Doors. I'm here for that flag, Huntsville, Alabama. Coming from Atlanta, we loving it here. You know, they giving us much love. So I just want to say what's up. You need to bring your car out here. We out here for the kids. Love y'all.
I'm on the tour. Make sure y'all request that on tour when y'all ready to do this. Posters, all that y'all